Welcome to the video. Today, I want to guide you through this painting process and share my thoughts behind its meaning. Also, talk a little bit about finding inspiration in your own work and life. Inspiration can come from anywhere. Sometimes ideas manifest in your mind unexpectedly. They can be sparked by a conversation, a moment of reflection, or even a fleeting observation. The creative process is limitless and unpredictable, fueled by unique experiences and perspectives that shape our lives. I found inspiration for this painting in a song I recently listened to. It talks about this place called Eden. Now everyone knows the Garden of Eden, but when I listened to it, I didn't see the garden. My interpretation of Eden was a place that came from within. In moments of inspiration, our minds become a melting pot of thoughts and emotions, blending together to form new and exciting ideas. It's during these times that we tap into our deepest creativity, allowing our imaginations to run wild and explore uncharted territories. Eden, a time of beauty, a time where everything was thriving and wonderful. We can all look back on our lives and probably remember a time like that. It might only be for a short period, or a fleeting moment, but it's there, ingrained in our memories. Searching for inspiration, we delve into the depths of our thoughts. We uncover hidden connections and patterns that were previously unnoticed. This newfound clarity enables us to bring ideas to life, transforming them from mere thoughts into tangible creations. had the image of a woman in my head, standing back to back with her own identity, wanting to go back to a place of bliss and innocence, where things were simpler, where the flowers bloomed and the sun shined bright. Surrounded by waves which are a symbol of growth, renewal, and transformation. But at the same time, waves also represent the unpredictability of life, reminding us that we must learn to navigate its ups and downs as they come. So naturally, blue was the prime colour for this painting. I had a heavy debate with myself to whether I make one of the woman's clothes black and one of them white, but I decided the black would throw off the painting too much. It would ruin the flow a little bit. I'm happy I chose the blue, because even without the black, one's light and one's dark, they both represent yin and yang in a way. Sometimes inspiration alone is not enough. It is a combination of inspiration and action that truly bring our ideas to fruition. We must take a leap of faith and turn our vision into reality, embracing the challenges and uncertainties that come along the way. Two sides of the same person, both at different points in time, past and present. The flowers emitting from the chest, a representation of one's growth and happiness, and the golden rings depicting the energy of the soul and their state of Eden. The process of bringing an idea to life is an adventure in itself. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to step outside our own comfort zones. there we have it, taking me back to Eden. I am really happy with the end result of this painting, and I'm also really happy that it's finally done. I really like the wave pattern that I did in the clothes, how it flows from one girl to the other, and also how it synergizes with the waves on the outside. I like the delicateness of the gold foil rings. I enjoyed experimenting with the wild looking water. Boy, was that confusing. So I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. Feel free to ask me anything, art related or whatever you want. And I'd actually like to see more art too, so if you post on Insta, feel free to comment your handle down below and I'll check you out. On that note, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.